Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're looking at this beautiful model home. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bathroom house with a loft, an office, and a 2-car garage with tandem storage. Today we are in the community Shadow Rock in Jurupa Valley, California. We are viewing the Residence 3 model home of the Exploration floor plan by Lennar Homes. It is a 2-story home with optional builder upgrades. It had a welcoming entry with high ceilings, and I really like the herringbone pattern tile flooring. It measures approximately 3,325 square feet, and it has an open floor plan with a bedroom and full bathroom downstairs. This spacious living room, which is also commonly known as the Great Room, has an elegant fireplace, large windows with views to the backyard, and recessed lighting. Right away, you'll notice all the attention to detail throughout this beautifully designed home. The kitchen is featured with pendant and recessed lighting, as well as dark cabinets, herringbone pattern tile backsplash, and beautiful countertops. It has a large walk-in pantry perfect for storing food and cooking gadgets. Through that locked door is a 2-bay garage with extra tandem storage. This model home features stainless steel appliances, such as a double oven and a dishwasher. It also features a large single basin sink with great views of the TV while you're doing dishes. The large center island has a breakfast bar, which is great for buffets, a quick bite to eat, or extra room for your laptop while you're checking out recipes. Check out this 5-burner stove and microwave. If this was your home, what would be the first thing you would make, besides reservations? The dining area is brightly displayed, with a beautiful chandelier and large windows with a sliding door to the backyard. The backyard featured a really nice covered patio. And it just looked perfect for gardening, barbecues, or just to sit back and unwind under the sun. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. Don't you think they did a fantastic job with this layout? I wanted to show you this angle from the great room of the dining room and the kitchen. The downstairs powder room has a toilet, sink, and mirror. Look at this closet. It is both a coat closet and has additional storage, which is great for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. This home also has heating and air conditioning. I really like that it had a downstairs bedroom, which is always a plus when it comes time for a resale. It has a view of the front yard and its own ensuite full bathroom, featuring cabinets, sink, toilet, and a shower. It also has a good-sized walk-in closet. The flex room has views to the front of the yard and can be used for whatever you would like, such as an office or a music or craft room. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's go view the upstairs. Check out this loft. It would be a great area for relaxing, studying, movie nights, or slumber parties. The large laundry room features cabinets, washer-dryer hookups, and shelves for your linen and for extra storage. It even has room to iron. Definitely a bonus, right? If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them, and if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. The second bedroom is carpeted and has a window with views of the backyard. It also has a walk-in closet. The third bedroom is also carpeted, has a window with backyard views and a closet. The large master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, has 2 walk-in closets and looks like a really nice place to retreat to at the end of the day. It has a couple of windows and an attached ensuite master bathroom. It has dual sinks, cabinets, and a vanity. It features a separate shower and a large soaking bathtub. Isn't it beautiful? I really like the flooring too. It gave it a more classy feel. It had a private water closet with a toilet and a window. Here is the first master bedroom walk-in closet, which has storage shelves, single and double pulls with lots of room for clothes, shoes, and hats. This second master bedroom walk-in closet has a window with single and double pulls. Couldn't you imagine your favorite outfits hanging on it right now? Which closet would you pick? Please let me know in the comments below. I really liked how they decorated the fifth bedroom. It had a race car theme and tire marks along the walls. It also has a window, carpet, and a closet. The guest bathroom has dual sinks and cabinets. It also has a private water closet with a toilet and also a shower in the bathtub. This home also includes green features such as water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient Low-E glass, and a tankless water heater. They will be building a total of 117 homes at Exploration at Shadow Rock, with parks, picnic areas, and trails. It is located near shopping and dining centers, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. It is also close to the 60, 91, and 10 freeway. Wasn't that home lovely? I absolutely love the kitchen. What did you think? Please comment below. And if you like that home, you'll probably like either of these as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying a home, please give me a call, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.